Hey there, I'm Weather Authority meteorologist Michelle McCormick, and right now there are some heavy downpours happening in the Arlington area, areas north of I-10. Earlier, there was rain along the beaches. It's now pretty much stalled without a lot of movement, but there is an aerial flood advisory for Duval County until 2:30 this afternoon as these heavy bands continue to drop a lot of rain. There is also some frequent lightning associated with this, and of course gusty winds always a factor. So make sure you stay indoors while these storms kind of work themselves out and start to fizzle. And again, a flood advisory in the area of Duval County until 2:30. Stay safe out there and keep your app handy for all the latest updates.